Charipabe, charipabe, san sanananan. Bar? Sino si Bar? Guys, iniwan na ako. Iniwan na ako. Mag-live ulit kaya ulit si Dado. Parang hindi na. Pahingayin mo yan, guys. May ano pa daw yun bukas eh. May gagawin pa. Hi, Olive! Init. Basilan, hello po. Thank you so much for ako po dapat mag-thank you sa inyo. Wait. Podcast with Chani. Baka matupi ako eh. Hello, Alaina. LU, La Union. We got you covered. Di ako naniniwala sa yan. Covered. Tapos mamaya, manuyupi na naman ako. Nakauwi na ako agad. Hinatid nila ako, Dada. Sa likod lang kami. Kailan kaya ulit live mo nakakanta ka? Ngayon na po. Kanta tayo.
Covers PH.
Gavers PET. Dapat may mag-send din ng dragon. Paano nga ba napasukan ang gusot na ito? Di naman akalaing magbabago ang pagtingin sa'yo. Hello, Miss Chrissy! Mula nang makilala ka, umikot ang mundo ko. Boom! Di na kayang ilihim at itago. Thank you, Ate Monica. Paano na kaya di sinasadya, di kayang magtapat ang puso ko. Minang kaibigan ko, ikaw pa. Paano na kaya di sinasadya, ba't nahihiya ang puso ko? Hirap na umibig sa isang kaibigan, di masabi ang naramdaman. Paano na kaya? Tropa lang pala pero hindi talaga. Guys, hindi ako nagpupuyat. Alam mo, anong oras ako nagising? 4. Kung malaman ng damdamin at di mo tanggapin, di ko yata matitiis mawala ka kahit sang saglit man lang. Wow, 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 wow. Paano na kaya di sinasadya, di kayang magtapat ang puso ko? Bakit sa dinami-rami ng kaibigan ko, ikaw pa? Paano na kaya di sinasadya, ba't nahihiya ang puso ko? Hirap na umibig sa isang kaibigan at baka hindi ang naramdaman. Yes, malapit lang po, super lapit. Kasi galing po talaga sila dito, tas nag-BGC kami. Kung ito'y malaman mo, adi na tanggapin mo. Wow, wow. Ang swerte ng neighbors ko, no? Libre ang concert talaga. Sobrang swerte nila. Kapal na mukha eh, no? Yeah. Kailan ulit mansa rin ang Briksyan? Thank you, Miss Jane. Thank you, Mira. Oh, I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found the girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I am dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Thank you, Lizzo Panganiban. 24 ba? Bansa rin nila. Well, I found the breaks stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share his hope. I found the lover to carry more than just our secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all. Hi, Ate Teddy. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my boy, I'll be your man. I see my future in his eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my biceps. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that suit, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Thank you, Ate Terry! God bless po! Si Bricks pala yung nasa profile photo mo. Sabi ko, bakit may gwapong Arabo? Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I see now, I know I have met an angel in person. Ba't di pa tulog? Guys, sorry, baliktad kasi yung ano ko, body clock ko. Bakit ako nagsusorry? Ako nga nagsasuffer. Sorry sa akin. I woke up 4 p.m. today. Hindi, ako yung nagpupuyat. Ako nagtatrabaho para sa sarili ko. Kaya ako nagpupuyat. Ako din. Oo nga naman. Kilala mo si Sol Gabi? Yes. Kelvin and I heard a word. Thank you, Ate Terry. God bless po. If it played and it pleased the Lord, you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. Baffled king composing. Hi, Penny. Hallelujah. 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 Minho name ng baby ko. Hallelujah. Minho anyong. Hallelujah. Yes, malapit lang po kasi yung bahay ko sa BGC. So, hinatid lang po ako. Thank you, Penny! My God, diamond microphone. Sana totoong diamond. I need to prove her beauty and the moonlight overdrew ya. What if mag-cover ako in the future tas silang dalawa yung music video, ano ko, actors? To a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. 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 Papayag kaya si Chani pag tinanong ko? Yung pag mag-cover ako ng Paano Na Kaya? Sana no? Pag mag-cover ako ng Paano Na Kaya, tapos silang dalawa yung ano. My God. Sakto, gusto ko pa naman mag-cover ng mga songs ngayon. I miss singing.
TH.
Ay, hingi ng TF. Kayo magbayad ha. Siyempre pag acting hindi na content yan. Hingi ako sa Chane. Na-imagine nyo yung scene? Hello po, Admin Ana. Pasukan ang gusot na ito. Di naman nakalaing mapapago ang pagtingin sa'yo. Si Briggs na pala. Wala nang makilala ka. Umikot ang mundo ko. Di na kayang ilihim at itago ang naramdaman nito. Tapos nag-confess siya. Paano na kaya di sinasadya? God gave me you? Okay. Bakit sa dinami-rami ng kaibigan ko? Out of Team Bardagulan, ikaw pa. Paano na kaya di sinasadya? Di ka naiya ang puso ko. Si Dada na naman masasaktan dito sa music video. Sabi ang naramdaman. Paano na kaya? Chani, mahal kita. OA talaga. Sobrang OA. Sorry. Kung malaman ng damdamin at di mo tanggapin, di ko yata matitiis mawala ka kahit isang saglit man lang. Paano na kaya di sinasadya? Di kayang magtapat ang puso ko. Kahit sa dinami-rami ng kaibigan ko. Ikaw pa, paano na kaya di sinasadya? Di ka nahihiya ang puso ko. Hirap nang umibig sa isang kaibigan. Di masabi ang naramdaman. Paano na kaya? Hello Dexter. Ito'y malaman mo. Sana naman tanggapin mo. What if it... Actually, me and Vrix, we want to cover song. Gusto namin mag-cover ng song. Siguro ito na lang i-cover namin, no? Kaso, baka mamaya magalit kayo sa akin na hindi si Chani ang kasama niya. Alam nyo guys, si Dada kasi, you know, very passionate din yan pagdating sa music. Hindi. Pinupush namin. Minamastan kita nang hindi mo alam. Next cover, your nose. Pinapangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Mapupulang labi at matingkad mong ngiti. Umaabot hanggang sa langit. Huwag ka lang titingin sa akin at baka matunaw ang puso kong sabi. Everyone. Sa iyong ngiti ako'y nahuhumaling, at sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo. Ang aking puso, sana'y mapansin mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Yung Baby Tawan, balak ko sana exclusive yan pag may magpo-podcast na kami ni Kuya Benedict. Magduduet kami dyan eh. Minamahal kita nang hindi mo alam. Thank you Penny so much, Ate Penny. Huwag ka sanang magagaling. Thank you Glay. Anyata talaga ang aking puso, na dati akala ko'y manhid, hindi pa rin makalapit. Inuunahan ng kaba sa aking dibdib. Everyone, layong ngiti ako'y nahuhumalik, at sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, mundo ko'y tumitigil, ang pangalan mo sinisigaw ang aking puso. Sana'y madama mo rin. Sa bawat sandali, Pops, para guest. Tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil, ang pangalan mo aking puso. Sorry, I cannot see your face, meow. Probably lihim kong pagtingin. Gusto ko nga mag-cover with them eh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ano kaya cover with? Gusto ko mag-cover with Chani. Gusto ko din mag-cover with Bricks since they both sing. Thank you, J. Celine, sa Team Bracelet. Thank you po. Eto ka na naman, kumakatok sa aking pintuan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. At eto naman ako, nakikinig sa mga kwento mo, paulit-ulit lang. Good night, titiis kahit nasasaktan. Bakit kayo nasasaktan pero ayaw nyo tumigil? Hindi ka ba natadala? Hindi ba't kailan lang nang ika'y iwanan niya? At ewan ko nga sa'yo. Bridal. Sino ba ito? Ay, si ano ba to? Justin? Parang kamukha ni Justin. Ano nangyari sa isang account Justin? Napadragon tuloy ako. Luha pa, di ka na mangangailangan pa, humanap na iba. SAD. Wala kang admirer. Hindi, joke lang. Dump niya yan. Namimiss ko agad kayo. Balik na kayo dito. puso mo. Justin, kanta tayo pag andito ka sa podcast ng tayong tatlo nila Zuzu. Narito lang ako. Kulang na lang Justin Official, Justinatics, Justigas. Ganda ng boses ni Justin, guys. Eme lang yan, pero Ariana yan. Kung ako na lang sanang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Pero ang hirap kaduet ni Justin. Ang lakas ng boses niya. Huwag ka gumastos pa. Papagalitan ka talaga ni Dada. Humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Justin, ano kaya magandang i-cover? Maliban sa Mouth. Alam ko sasabihin, ay, yan na naman si Justin. Justin, papatayin talaga ako ni Kuya, mo. Thank you. Ano kaya? Mag-iisip ako ng pwede i-cover. For sure, sasabihin ni Justin, cover, Kuya, try mo Mouth. Gaganon yan. Feeling ko pag sa personal kami, pag magkasama kami, try mo Face. Malamang ibalik mo. I miss you agad, Justin. Hotin. For all the times that you rain on my parade, for all the clubs you get in using my name, think you broke my heart up, girl, for goodness sake. Think I'm crying on my own, but lying. Yes po, nakauwi. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still lit my phone up. But baby, I'll be moving on, and I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up. Si JL ba nasa Pinas na? And now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Ganda din ng All or Nothing. Give me your name, got me all day, oh baby, cause now got me looking side to side.
Somewhere's got to give, and sharing this relationship gets older. You know I fight for you, but how can I find someone who isn't even there? I've got the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair, say, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's
Michael Pangilinan.
left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all?
Yes, Michael Pangilinan.
Are we just friends? Is this how it is with a simple text?
Okay, I'll listen to the original one.
You leave me with nothing at all. Thin rise, I thought with time you realize
I know this song.
Somewhere's got to give.
Hello, Eliza.
This relationship gets older, older. You know I fight but how can I find someone who isn't even there? I've had the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care.
Abot ba ito ni Dada?
Best of you, I don't care. I've had the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair. 'Cause I want it all or nothing
Ay, we.
at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now
Ah, kaya to? Ang taas nito ah.
Is it all? Or are we just friends? Is this how it ends with a simple telephone call? You leave me here with nothing at all. There are times it seems to me I'm sharing you in memories. I feel it in my heart, but I don't show it, show it. And then there's times you look at me as though I'm all that you can see. Those times I don't believe it's right. I know it, know it. Don't make me promises, baby, you never did know how to keep them well.
Yeah!
The best of you, it's time to show and tell. 'Cause I want it all or
Nothing at all.
reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all?
Taas pala nito.
Are we just
Buti kaya nito ni ano. Hindi po ako, para pag mag-cover po kami. King Cancun.
inside for me in your life?
For me in your life, life. Pause na. For me in your life. Oh, you found on me is
I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. I couldn't have fathomed I would ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be sitting here beside myself. 'Cause I didn't know you, 'cause I didn't know me. But
Iba kasi yung ano, kanta sa live versus cover.
The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear you. Lights tear up, and who's gonna talk to me when the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better.
Pupunta ba kayo pag may stage ako? Yung drum beat. Very, very old. I wanna sing OPM though. Guys, we have to love OPM and sana mas maraming Tagalog na lyrics. Pero hindi lang bagay sa akin mga R&B. We belong together, baby. din hindi nag-vocal warm up pa. You know, I don't know why, but I love this song. I said this a lot of times. It's my old soul. Alam niyo to? Yes, TJ Montero. I don't know why I like this song. Very old. Thank you, Piaya. I love you too. I don't know why I like this song. Bakyato, hello. Ito, inaantay ka. Ako. Ang ganda kaya ng song nito. Arrangement lang talaga yung medyo baduy kasi old style. Diba? Ang ganda ng melody. Medyo old lang. Sa isang sulyap mo, naninira ako. Sa isang sulyap mo, naninira ako. Tsaka yung lyrics lang. Parang yung ano, parang old YML oh, dating YML. Oy, si ano, Nico. Si Jeff. Ano, hindi ba si Nico dito? Hindi pa ako inaantok. What's your favorite TJ songs, guys? Maliban sa palagi, puro palagi. Ganda. Ano ko ang strength ko is yung nipis eh. Pag inaangat ko yung birit, the airy voice. Hindi ko kaya ang mga Pinoy pagdating sa yung makapal na birit, hindi ko kaya gayahin yung mga Pinoy. That's a Filipino strength. Palagi. Kaya emotion na lang. Why am I talking about this with you guys, huh? SB19 songs. Hirap kasi ng SB19 songs. Ilaw by SB19. Maganda ba yan? Gusto ko mga ballad songs. Sige, pakinggan ko. Can I listen to the live version? Inang pogi ni Ken. Kainis. Gusto ko yung ganitong itsura. Yung Pinoy na Pinoy pero sobrang pogi pa rin. Yung hindi yung pogi na parang Pinoy sila pero hindi nakikigaya ng mga Korean look. Yung alam mo yung ganun? Basta. Galing ni Pablo. Like, yung iba magaling din pero medyo shaky yung boses nila. Pero si Pablo parang yung pitch niya parang perfect na perfect. Like, palong-palo niya bawat... Wala, it's a singer thing. Nakaka-satisfy. Pak! Malabo! Ang hirap kaya yung mga ganun, guys. Di ba? Yung malabo! Yung balik, madali yung la. Pero yung pagbalik sa bo, mahirap yun. Malabo! Kasi dun ka pipiyok eh. Akala mo sa la ka pipiyok, pero sa bo ka pipiyok eh. Pero siya, malaba! Yung control niya, malaba! Si Stel, magko-comment pa ba ako? Natawa ako sa mga tao sa likod. Ang galing. Sorry guys, sound trip. Ano yung liham? Lakas naman ng instrumental. Ang hirap bumirit ng ganitong kasikip yung lugar. Ang galing ni Justin, ha? Thank you, Piaya. Tama na. Wala akong vibes. La tara tara ra tara tara. La tara tara ra tara tara. Hindi ka pa inaantok? Hindi pa po eh. Kasi nagising pa ako ng 4 PM. Mama! Ooh. Naka-subs na po ako. Hello, Miss Ninang. Thank you po sa pag-sub. Guys, pwede na daw mag-gift ng sub dito. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko kayo i-gift ng sub. I don't know how. Thank you for playing their song. Oh my God. Bakit ka po nagte-thank you sa akin, Miss Sins? I love, their songs are worth listening to. Hindi naman po ako 18, pero ano lang po, basta maganda yung song, pinapakinggan ko regardless of kung sino man artist yan. Lalo na pag OPM. I don't know, it's really nice. Hello po, Ate Penny. Dito pa rin si Ate Penny. Yes, Namu. Mga pinky. Yes, of course. Oo, Kaya nga minsan, alam nyo guys, parang minsan pag naka-live ako, kumakanta ako ng OPM, tapos pag pinapakanta sa akin ng mga Korean songs, o kaya magsa-spam sila. I mean, although, pare-pareho ko naman, mahal ang Korean song, OPM, pop song, ganun. Pero naiinis ako pag kumakanta ako ng Tagalog song, tapos pinipilit nila akong kumanta ng Korean song. Parang naiinis ako. Parang, bakit ayaw nyo sa OPM? Parang, anong ganda-ganda. Lalo na yung mga luma din. Ganto rin kayo ng mga... Tapos alam nyo ba, like, nagiging problema na din yung parang nawawala ang Tagalog sa mga lyrics. Alam mo yung ganun. Even in Korea, problema yan sa K-pop songs eh. There was an article na bakit parang 80% daw English. K-pop, what happened to K-pop daw with the K? Hindi pa po. Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayon nandyan ka na, di magmamadali. Ka lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Ngayon ikaw na ang kasayaw. Kung meron mang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw. Di akalain mararamdaman ko muli ang yakap ng panahon na bang kumakalapit ang init at sinag ng araw. I feel like Korean songs have, Korean ballad hindi K-pop. Korean ballad songs have more beautiful lyrics. And OPM ballads have beautiful melody. Ewan ko. Hindi ko sila kino-compare, pero if I just have to point out. Gina, I just watched your review about Strangers from Hell. Worth it. Watch it. Please watch it. It's really good. Thank you po. Ikaw ay dilaw. Kita palagi. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata. Ano next? Na sa musika. Thank you to Lizette. Sumasabay sa musika. Gusto ko din yung mga dating song. Wala pang bagong release yung Lola Amor, no? What if I tell you that I'm falling? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Gusto ko yung mga Apo hiking songs din. Bang 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 dang dang bang 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 bang. Tang dang dang dang. At sana naman makikinig ka sa aking sasabihin. Minamahal kita. Joaquin Pasen. Okay. Noted. Nabusog talaga daming energy. Gutom pa nga sir, walang pera. Okay. Arthur Neri. Parang magano ah. Nantok na ako. Soprano. Dati abot ko yun, kaso nung nag-puberty ako, bumaba na to, guys. Dati talaga. Ano yung ano? Ano ulit yung song na yan? Wala, nakikita ko lang yung nabaviral. Ano yung song na yan? So if I can find it here to the western skies. Someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying so low, at least I'm flying free. And to those who try and ground me, ano yung lyrics? Take a message back from me when I defying gravity. I defying gravity. And soon I'll match them in ano daw? I defying gravity. I'm flying, I defying gravity. And soon I'll match them in renown. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Bring me down. Mixed voice lang tayo guys ha, kasi mapapaos ako pag nag-chest voice. Good morning, Ate Tates! Hello po, Ate Tates. I missed you. How are you? Bring me down. Oh! Yun yung pag pinupush ko yung chest dito. Tarzan. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. Dati talaga, dream ko maging musical artist, guys. Musical theater. Kaso ayaw ni mama at papa. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But now from where you appear, it's crystal clear. But now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feelings, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless. Kiss back. I love you more, Ate Tates. You know that. Ate Tates, mag-subscribe tayo. Si Ate Lizette din nakasubscribe. Kawawa naman yung carpet, baka di ka. Huwag kang mag-alala. Yung genie na sa loob ng lamp, kinakaya naman ng lamp. Ako pa kaya. Asa, I love you, Pengilayon. Promise? I love you, TJ. Your fave, TJ. Ayoko sumali ng tawag ng tanghalan. Gusto ko gumawa ng song. Ayoko makipag-compete, guys. Tsaka, tawag ng tanghalan, parang ang mga mananalo dyan, puro birit lang. Hindi ba? Like, no offense ha, magaling talaga sila. Like, as in, God tier level. Ate Tates, I love you! Thank you po! Gusto ko parang yung talagang lyrics. Gusto ko emotional singing. Oo nga, dapat sa hide and sing po, no? Tas katawan pa lang alam nyo. Yes! That's why Janine Berdin is my favorite tawag ng tanghalan winner. And she is my good friend. Mike, I love you. I miss you guys too. Hindi ko alam yun. Mike, dahil dyan mag-subscribe ka na din. Joke lang. Don't you know I'll be you? There's a calm surrender into the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling wave can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless wire just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? Tonight. Matcha, I love you. Matcha. Do you know, I tried my, I found my favorite matcha. Di ka pa inaantok, Kuya Gino? Hindi pa, kasi gumising ako ng 4 PM today. Kaya hype na hype pa rin ako. Uy, wala. I tried my first matcha today. Like, first favorite matcha. Like, gustong gusto ko talaga. The Matcha Tokyo. Wala, I wanted to share it to you pag nagkita tayo dito sa live. Busogi bells, kapatid. Yes, Mitsukoshi. You must think that I'm stupid. When is Sam Smith gonna release a good song? I mean, his songs are good, pero yung hindi yung Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Like, when are my favorite artists gonna release their song? I'm talking about Bruno Mars. I mean, although nag-release siya with Rosé, pero puro collaboration si Bruno Mars ngayon, no? Kasama si Lady Gaga, Rosé. Like, I'm waiting for, like, album ni Bruno Mars, Adele, Ed Sheeran, you know, Sam Smith, Louis Capaldi. Oh my God, I'm waiting for their music. I've been hearing that. If the world is next to you. Kakatukin na lang kita. Adik ka ba, ate ko? Every time you let me realize that I try. Every time you hear me, I guess that I see. Hi, Winston. Nang hihinayang. Pause na. Nang hihinayang, nang hihinayang. Ilang pitch yan? Nang hihinayang. Taas. How many octave? Nang hihinayang. Nang hihinayang. Ganun yung Spinach, what the heck? I'm shy. Thank you, GM. Thank you po. Dahil dyan, magbagsak ng Leon Ginto. Per. Thank you sa pag-follow, Sir OG Pagtas. She's gone. Alam niyo yan? Out of my life. Oh, yeah. Zion to forgive me, God. Best balita sa inyo ni Jerry? Okay lang kami ni Jerry. Oo nga pala, parang alam ko nag-message. Alam mo dahil, actually Jerry messaged me on Instagram today. You just reminded me. Hala? Huh? Wow, nawala lahat ng inbox ko sa Instagram. Nagulat ako. Nawala la. Nagbabag din ba yung Instagram nyo? Like sometimes all my messages are gone. Oh, weird. Ano ito ni Jerry? Go to his app na lang then message. Yeah, that's what I did. Ginaganon ko eh, nire-refresh ko po eh. Weird. Si Instagram kasi pabago-bago kasi ng interface. Ang daming bug. Bakit ayaw nilang hayaan? Anong oras? Oh my God. 4 a.m. na guys. Let's sleep na. Tulog na. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Franz. Thank you, Franz. Whoops, nagtitilt yung phone. Yes. Thank you, Sunflower. Ay, is this Sunflower? Ah, hindi pala Sunflower. Siri pala. Siri! Ay po! Hay! Bakit kasi ganyan pangalan mo? Thank you, Miss Elaine. Takot ako. Kinabahan. Good night, guys. Shout out po sa mga subscribers ko. I love you guys. Ang magre-renew. Mag-renew kayo sana. I love you guys. Yes. Sobrang Latina. Yes. Sobrang Latina.